Hello! Today I will show you top 5 Google Assistant commands on VIVO V50. First, the first gonna be some music. So, hey Google, please turn on music like TRX.
Alright, shout out to my ex by Little Mix. Here it is on YouTube Music. Your account is no longer linked. Please relink with your account through the companion app.
Okay, next command is hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Alright, 5 minutes. Starting now.
Next command, hey Google, add pancakes and butter to my shopping list.
Alright, I added those two things to the list called shopping.
Okay, next is hey Google, call Janet.
Sorry, who do you want to call?
And the last of commands, hey Google, turn off my garage lights.
Who do you want to call?
Hey Google, turn off my garage lights.
Who do you want to call?
That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.